how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Children, what we are doing now? We are doing block 3 children. What is our block 3? A home for everyone. Children, I have completed S1. Now today our topic is S2, houses across region. Now let me repeat what we have did in S1. Children, we have did in S1 what materials are used to make different type of houses. We have seen this in S1. And how houses are made, what materials are used to make houses, we have seen in this S1. And I told you it's different because in some places there is snowfall. So they use wooden house because it will be warm inside. And I told you people live in igloo. Why? Because it protects us from cold weather. This all we use, what materials we used, it depends on where we all are living. This I have told you in S1 children. Now see, in this S2, houses across the region, I will show you different type of houses. Children, now look here. First one is stilt house. How this stilt house is used? It is made in a region where, in a place where there is more rainfall, children. So what happened? People will, what they'll do, they'll live in stilt house. How stilt house is made? In a support of 2 bamboo or 4 bamboos, like a stage, and there is a climbing steps, and up you can see a house. This is known as stilt house. Next is igloo. Where you can see this igloo? You can see this igloo in a place where there is a snowfall. Yes? Next, what happened? This igloo is made up of ice only. People live inside. What happened? It will be a little bit warm for them. Next, see, it is tent. Where tent is used? I told you in S1, tent mostly is used in desert areas where people are tribal people. They move from one place to another. They carry these tents wherever they move. Next is houseboat. Houseboat is used in more Kerala or any other places where people live in water, like Jammu and Kashmir example, and in Kerala. What happened? People make house inside the boat. It looks like this. Boat house. What they'll do? They'll travel from one place to another place in the house only. So these are different type of houses. First one is stilt, igloo, tent and houseboat. Why people will use this all things? They depend on the weather and climate and the place where they live. They adjust according to their places. Okay. Children, now you can see here a table, different houses. Now see, what is first one? Igloo. Second one is stilt house. Third is tent. Next is houseboat. Now see down, you can see, follow the arrow marks. Igloo, where you can see igloo? In Greenland. It is made up of ice. Stilt house, cargo, has 2 poles to stand. As you can see in this picture. You can see here in this picture, there are 2 poles. Yes, an igloo is made up of ice, children. Next, see, tent. You can see in Saudi Arabia. Why in Saudi Arabia? It is a very big desert in Saudi Arabia. Next, made up of canvas. You all know what is canvas? Canvas is a thick cloth. You all will wear canvas shoes? Yes. Next is houseboat. You can see where you can see houseboat, as I told you, in Jammu and Kashmir and in Kerala. What happened? It float on water. What about this tent? One special thing is there in this house, tent house and houseboat. What happened? They both are movable house. Movable house means wherever you want you can keep the tent, again you can remove the tent. What about this houseboat? You can float and go wherever you want. So they both are movable house. Kindly go through the table once. Igloo, Greenland. Igloo you can see in Greenland, made up of ice. Stilt house, cargo, has 2 poles to stand. Tent house, Saudi Arabia, made of canvas. Next, houseboat, Kerala, Jammu and Kashmir, float on water. Tent and houseboat are movable houses. Again I want to show you the pictures here. See, stilt house, igloo, tent and houseboat. Now kindly open your reader page number 22 and keep your fingers where I am reading. Kindly turn to page number 22. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Next children, page number 22. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Houses for different regions. Houses differ from different region to region. Differ means what? Different based on the region, based on the place, climate. The climate of a place, material available and the lifestyle of people decide how a house is built in a particular region. Children, climate and the material what we will get there, we will decide how a house should be there. Yes. Next one, see. First one is igloo. Igloo are house made of ice. They are found in very cold place like Greenland and the Arctic region. The Eskimos live in igloo. Who live in igloo? Eskimos. Ice is used in igloo because the air pockets trap the heat and make the inside of the igloo warm. Children, what happens when you are keeping ice together? It will stick together and no air can pass inside. Okay. Next, stilt house. Stilt house are houses built on a set of posts supporting a building above the ground. Stilt houses are built in place where it rains heavily. The stilt house protect the house against floods. Children, where there is heavy rainfall and floods will come, what will happen if you live in stilt house? You will be safe. No water will enter your house. These type of houses are found in Congo, in Africa, Venezuela and Brazil in South America. Turn to page number 23, children. Now you can see here, yacht. Yacht is a kind of movable house made of flat and bamboo or wood. Wandering people who live in the grassland of Central Asia usually live in these kinds of houses. Once they move to another place, they break the structure and carry it on camel or yaks to another place. See children, you can see here. This house can be removed, since it is made up of bamboo, and they'll remove and they can carry it seems. See, they are tribal people. I am reading here, keep your finger here. The yacht has been a house to the nomads of Turkey, Mongolia and many other Central Asian countries. Next, tent. Tent are temporary houses made of canvas or animal skin and are fixed to the ground with poles. They are used by nomads who move from one place to another. Wandering people. Wandering means what, children? Who will move from one place to another place. Nomads are the travel people. Next, wandering people like the Bedouin in desert. Bedouin is one name of the tribal people, children, here. Bedouin is nothing but a people, traveling people's name who live in desert of Saudi Arabia and some people in the Thar desert living in tents. They can carry it whenever they go and set it up at another place, children. What is that? Tent. Next is houseboat. A houseboat is a boat that can be used like a house. It is commonly found in the backwater of Kerala and the Dal Lake in Kashmir. Houseboat in Kerala usually move in the water, while the Kashmir, they normally stand in one place. See children, what a beautiful houseboat. In Kashmir, they'll stand in one place only, they'll not move. What about in Kerala? They'll move from one place to another place in water. Houseboat are of favorite with tourists in Kashmir and Kerala. We all love to sit in houseboat, it seems. They are tourists. Tourists come and sit in this houseboat, it seems. So children, today in today's topic we have studied that we have different type of houses. Stilt house, houseboat, tent, yacht, yes, and igloo, What is this all, children? We have seen that these all are different type of houses. Now kindly open your workbook. Now children, turn to page number 20 in your workbook. Now see here, houses across region, write today's date 19-8-2020. Underline the correct option and give reason why the other options are wrong, children. Hickey lives in Greenland, which is covered with snow. Which house will suit him best? In Greenland, what type of houses you can see? I showed you in the table, no? What is that house? Igloo. Very good. So what you will do? You will circle first igloo. What are the other options? Why are the other options wrong? See children, what you will do here? Igloo is there. Now what you will do? You will circle the igloo. In Greenland, igloo houses only you can see. What type of houses you can see? Igloo. So underline igloo like this. Why are other options wrong? These two options are wrong. Stilt house and tent. Why they are wrong? How you should write? You should write point wise better. Now see, you should write like this. First point, stilt house. Two options are wrong. What is asking? First you circle the correct answer, correct option, and you write why the other two options are wrong. First is stilt house. We can't make stilt house in ice. You can write like this. Next, we can't live in tent in Greenland. Like this, kindly complete second one, third one and fourth one and fifth one better. Okay? Let me read second one. Ali and Dino and his family moved from one place to another across Central Asia. What type of houses will suit him the best? Central Asia. What type of houses you can see, children, in Central Asia? Think and circle the answer and write why others are wrong. Ali and some other move across the Sahara Desert on camel. What type of houses will suit him the best? You all know what is the correct answer. Circle the correct answer and why two options are wrong. Kindly write like this point wise. Next, Nogi lives in Congo where it rains heavily. What type of house will suit her best? In Congo region, what type of houses you will see, children? Circle it. And next, why two other options are wrong? Complete it. Last, fifth one. What is common to an igloo, stilt house, yard and tent? What is common, children? They all protect us from heat, rain and cold. Okay, beta? Like this, you complete your, kindly go through the video and complete your workbook. Okay, thank you.